The Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker is designed to withstand the elements with its IPX7 waterproof rating, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and splashes at the beach. Thanks to Anker's power management technology and a powerful 5,200 milliampere hour lithium-ion battery, you can enjoy continuous music for a full 24 hours. With its 12-watt power output and dual neodymium drivers, the speaker delivers powerful sound with enhanced bass and no distortion, even at high volumes. The exclusive BassUp technology and patented spiral bass port intensify low-end frequencies, creating vibrant audio for any occasion, from home theater nights to beach parties. Featuring a classic design with simple controls, the speaker is easy to use and effortlessly portable, allowing you to enjoy music anywhere you go. The Anker Soundcore 2 also supports wireless stereo pairing, enabling you to connect multiple speakers for an even more immersive sound experience.